Thank you for tuning in to Zim News Beat TV.
The next flag will be handed over to Mr. Norbert. The next flag will be given to Captain Gibson Kachana, the son to Brigadier General Gibbs Kachana, the late. The next flag will be given to Miss Danai Jirira, the granddaughter to the late national hero Comrade Amoni Jirira. The next flag will be handed over to Mr. Oliver Manyerenyere, the cousin to the late national hero Comrade Godwin. The next flag will be handed over to Mr. Anthony Mandigona, the son to the late national hero Comrade Simon Chingosha. The next flag will be handed over. The next flag will be given to Captain Gibson Kachana, the son to Brigadier General Gibbs Kachana, the late. The next flag will be given to Miss Danai Jirira, the granddaughter to the late national hero Comrade Amoni Jirira. The next flag will be handed over to Mr. Oliver Manyerenyere, the cousin to the late national hero Comrade Godwin.
Be pleased to award Dr. Mishek Julius Mpande Swanda, the owner of the Order of Star of Zimbabwe in platinum, in terms of Section 4.1 of Warrant 2 of 2023 as published under Statutory Instrument 144 of 2023. Your Excellency, sir.
Mururu ne muridzo. Aiwa tinotenda. Thank you, Your Excellency. Allow me, Your Excellency, to now invite the Minister of Tourism. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. With your indulgence, Your Excellency, may I now call upon the Minister of Higher and Tertiary Education, Innovation, Science and Technology Development, Honorable Professor Amon Murwira, to present the citation for the Royal Order of the Mutapa for Dev Nanda Butau. Honorable Minister Murwira.
May it please you, Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Head of State and Government, Commander-in-Chief of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, and Grand Master of the Zimbabwe Order of Merit, Comrade Dr. Emerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa in terms of Section 3, subsection 1 of Warrant 1 of 2023, as published in Statutory Instrument 143 of 2023, to award to Devnanda Popatlau the honor of the Royal Order of the Mutapa in terms of Section 4, subsection 1 of Warrant 1 of 2023, which states that, and I quote, the Royal Order of the Mutapa may be awarded to any citizen of an African state in honor of their exceptional sacrifice and commitment toward the liberation and perpetual well-being of Zimbabwe as a nation, in close quote. Section 5, subsection 1 of the same warrant state that, and I quote, the award shall be granted to by the authority of the President. Devnanda Popatlau played a pivotal role in the establishment and support of ZANU-PF operations in Mozambique. In 1976, alongside Christopher Mandizvidza, he facilitated the opening of ZANU-PF first bank account at the Bank of Maputo, setting a financial base for the movement. He was also instrumental in setting up the first ZANU-PF office in Maputo, furnishing it with necessary equipment, including a secure safe, stationery, and the inaugural telephone system, including maintenance of facilities. Mr. Popatlau worked intimately with ZANU-PF leaders such as Edgar Tekere, Nathan Shamuyarira, Ernest Kadungure, Didmas Mutasa, and Christopher Mandizvidza, contributing significantly to administrative duties of the movement. Through his shop, Eliela, he provided the comrades with essential items like shoes, clothing, tools, blankets, plates, cups, and other equipment. He also facilitated connections with the international aid organizations for additional support, such as Caritas, the Lutheran World Federation, International Committee of the Red Cross, and the Netherlands Embassy. Mr. Popatlau's generosity extended to his personal life, where he hosted in his home numerous ZANU-PF officials, sheltering them and risking his family's safety in the process. He hosted comrades such as Comrade Simon Vengai Muzenta, Josiah Magama Tongogara, His Excellency Comrade Dr. Emerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa, Herbert Usheo Kunze, Edgar Tekere, Ernest Kadungure, Didmas Mutasa, Charles Njozi Dauramanzi, Meya Urimbo, and Nathan Shamuyarira, among others. He also provided first aid course at a military hospital in Maputo. Ms. Popatlau supplied various educational and agricultural equipment to foster education and culture. About 54 kilometers from Maputo, he helped rehabilitate a farm with irrigation systems, painting, carpentry, and plumbing, and provided seeds, tools, chicken rations. Following the bombing of ZANU-PF offices in Maputo in 1978, he helped in the rebuilding efforts. Mr. Popatlau installed the metallic pole for the first Zimbabwe flag in Mozambique. He negotiated the transfer of property to the Embassy of Zimbabwe. Mr. Popatlau is actively involved today in fostering Zimbabwe-Mozambique relations through ZIMOFA. Mr. Popatlau's contribution to Zimbabwe's well-being extends beyond the war of liberation. He has been a consultant in economic and social welfare programs focusing on Mozambique. He served on the board of trustees of the Zimbabwe National Army Tsanga Lodge Rehabilitation Center from 1998-2004, board of the National Railways of Zimbabwe, January 2001, December 2003, board of the Civil Aviation Authority of Zimbabwe, 2011-2014, board of the Zimbabwe Broadcasting Corporation, 2019 to 2024, board chairman of the Zimbabwe Airports Company of Zimbabwe, 2020 to 2023, and current board member of the National Handling Services and the Procurement Regulatory Authority of Zimbabwe. Mr. Popatlau is a holder of an MBA from the University of Gloucestershire, United Kingdom. It is befitting Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Head of State and Government, Commander-in-Chief of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, and Grand Master of the Zimbabwe Order of Merit, that you may be pleased to award Mr. Devnanda Popatlau the honor of the Royal Order of the Mutapa in terms of Section 4, Subsection 1 of Warrant 1 of 2023 as published under Statutory Instrument 143 of 2023. Your Excellency, sir.
Murune Murizo. Thank you, Your Excellency. Allow me now, Your Excellency, to call upon the Minister of Public